Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well today. Now I will be showing you how I make my very easy creamy tuna and avocado salad. So let's get started.
Yay!
Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's cut the red onion first. I think for the size of the avocados, they're very small at the moment. I would like to use just half of the onion. So there's a groove over here, so I've just got it just like so. Okay, so let's put them in the bowl. Alright. So what we do with our avocados, just cut them. Let's check. Ooh, can you see that? The avocados that we have are perfect. Look at those, so yummy. So let me know how you cut your avocados. For me, this is actually a small avocado, about half an inch thick. So it's really easy to take them off from the shell or to peel them off. So this is how I normally would do it, unless if the avocados were thicker or if they're bigger. So that would come off. For me, this is easier. Please let me know how you take your avocado out from its skin. So for me, this is really easy to do. I know some people slice the avocados and then peel after. But for me, this is by far the easiest. Okay, and for the shell, it is so easy. All you have to do is stick it like that. Stick your knife right through the seed and twist. Easy. Okay, I'm using 1 can of chunk tuna in spring water. This is 185 grams. So what I'll do, I'd like to take the excess water out. Although there's not much water, I just want to take the water out because I don't want my salad to be soggy. There you go. So in this one goes. So you can see it's very chunky tuna. That's what you need. For the citrus that we're going to be putting on our salad, this is a personal preference. Some people prefer lime, which I also have, and some people prefer lemon. So for me, in this instance, I always prefer lemon in most of my dishes, salads, and tuna. unless if I don't have lemon, so I would go for lime, but since I have both, I would go for lemon at this time. So to take the juice out, I like to rub it just like so and cut. Now let's put the lemon. So don't forget some black pepper. And some salt. So I'm using the Himalayan rock salt. And of course, some extra virgin olive oil. So this avocado and tuna salad is just as perfect as they look like. They look so amazing on the table if you want to serve it on the table, or if you want to eat it on your own. I usually just eat it as it is, or I put it on top of my salad, some cucumbers and tomatoes and some leafy greens, and I put these lovely tomato and tuna salad on top. Or if you like, you can actually have this as a lunch as well. You can put these on toast, on top of your toast, or just as a sandwich. But if you want to be different, sometimes I also do some fancy presentation of my salad, even if I'm the only person who eats avocado and tuna salad most of the time. My kids do eat the salad, but not as often as I do. So, some beautiful Carlsberg lettuce. You can also use, I think, any type of lettuce that's available, but this is actually handy because when you eat it just like a belt, or you can fold it just like so and put your avocado and tuna on top. So that's what we're going to do. So what do you think? Is that yummy?
Yeah.
You want to eat your salad now?
Yeah.
Okay, we will have some salad in a minute.
Hi.
You want to try it now? Okay, there you go. I would put mint in it. It would just give you a... So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Now, if you like this recipe, please don't forget to leave me a comment below. And if you do have any questions, I am happy to answer them. I hope your family will love this recipe, as my family enjoyed this creamy tuna and avocado salad. Hope to see you on my next upcoming video, and please stay home, stay safe with your family. Bye for now. Guys, you should try this at home.